like, I don't know. This might be like a hot take, but I don't think that The Empire Strikes Back is that good of a Star Wars movie. I think it's the worst of the original three.
Which is your favorite?
Of the original three.
Yeah.
Like the first and the third are so good, but I think I'd have to say the third.
Hold up. I'm stuck.
I'm coming. We're gonna get attacked by bats too. What is this, China 2019?
Yeah, now China 2020, March 2020.
Literally, what the come on, guys, you ruined it for the rest of us. There's so many plants like
We all know that wasn't real. We all know that Bill Gates.
we all know that Randy Marsh fucked a pangolin, bro. That's how it started.
No, it was Bill Gates. Bill Gates made the thing so we could then make vaccines and then have RFK say that vaccines cause.
Bro, RFK wasn't even born yet. I'm getting attacked.
Are you serious?
What?
Dude, RFK old as bro. Obviously, RFK was
We died in the water. Yeah.
Lucas, is the 2025 MacBook not out yet?
MacBook.
Yeah. Don't they drop one every year?
They don't come out with one every year.
Oh shit. Dude, I totally just lost an argument on TikTok.
Why do I keep falling into the fucking marsh, bro?
Because you're just fucking terrible at the game, bro.
Shut up.
Bro, join me in the fog over here.
I got you. Oh shit.
The fog is coming. All the fog in Silent Hill is from my dude. My Baja Blast Lost Mare. Love the
My pina colada geek bar, you know.
Maddie didn't love me as much as the big so then she disappeared.
I can't do the double jump. I keep.
It's okay, it's fine, I got you. Did you see that Aura fucking?
It's funny because I can purposefully just like, shut up, idiot.
Okay. Oh, we're gonna be stacking rocks like we're meditating. We're becoming Buddhist monks, bro.
Bulge Trooper Buddhist monk arc.
Nah, bro, the spirit of Buddhist monks, get rid of it too. Nothing's permanent. So. Eric Kudimore taught me that one. You die if you go in the water.
That did not look like water to me.
What does it look like?
No, for real.
It looks like salt. Yo, my crib, dog. Let's dismantle it. Yo, double scores. Double scores.
Yo, what? Hold up.
4 points.
What's available to me? Yoda, Han Solo, C-3PO, R2-D2. Oh, yeah, it's over.
Some Skelly Boner, let's go. They really didn't give us many characters in this level.
They give us
Oh,
all.
yo, and they give us Darth Vader. Oh, bro. Oh, type shit. We can go up here now. That makes more sense. I thought we just fucking stuck over there.
There can only be one.
Only one.
There can
Oh,
only
so
be
you try
one.
and blink me? I'm going to go full. What did I say last time? I'm going full
80 mode on this tweaker, bro.
Oh, I'm sorry. This is what I do.
Yo, it's time.
It's time. Can we be quiet now, and then we'll just like edit something over this in post? Because this is
Like, bro needs to edit, like, took her to the O over this.
It, like speed it up.
Just put that out on the title.
Or like a real edit of this.
Can you put that?
Bro, you know I used to make real
The
edits
Savior
over the
of
summer,
Summer,
bro.
was it?
I think I showed you one.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's not bad. That's at least.
No, Bulge Trooper Tractor, hold up. Bulge Trooper's not gotten the tractor yet. Bulge Trooper drives every single vehicle.
My eyeballs, bro. Can't be playing games like this for 48 million hours a day. We've only been playing for 2 hours and 71 minutes. Okay. Now we cheese it with Darth Vader. we cheese it again with R2D2. And then we just die for some reason. Look at that, bro. I got you. I made you a platform.
Just make it so odd.
Lucas the impatient. Damn it, bro. Lucas the explosive. What the fuck? Oh, wait. That was me who shot you. Bro, is this the evil dark side cave?
Cross and have to.
Of rape and perjury, bro. Oh, there's. What is Dagobah doing, bro? Fuck. Oh my god, they start falling out from beneath you. Damn, I just got bullied.
I want to see if I can get bro in midair.
Bro's getting put through the infinite choke. I'm trying to build bro a staircase and he's doing nothing but.
Okay, this is a job for this dude.
Not bro, just I got it. Fuck, why doesn't Darth Vader have a death sound, yo?
I think he does. I think it's just him breathing really hard.
Freaking nerd. Is there like a midget or not? There's something up here. Oops. That was my bad. Dude, you've almost caught up to me in the money department.
Almost.
I cheesed the fuck out of that, bro. And just jumped to the side. Look at me up here. I'm raking, bro. Yeah, low key, I can't just hear like Darth Vader breathing in the background. Oh wait, no, you're Darth Vader. Bro, don't make me. Don't make me. Don't make me. Now we're even. We spoke you with my willy.
Alright. I don't take okay.
I don't take kindly to sir. Come.
Hold up, I got
All the places to jump.
maybe Bulge Trooper has a better.
Bulge Trooper might be more. Dude, did you see that? It, like, I don't know if Bulge Trooper can make it. What do you say? Why the fuck are you teabagging?
I'm literally not touching it, bro.
Oh, you're not in
out
right
Yeah,
now.
I'm dropped out.
R2D2 cheats. Star Wars is just R2D2 there, think about it.
Yeah.
It's just the
He's literally the only character that carries through literally the entire series.
literally. I mean, it's told from this PvP. I think there's a boss battle in this one. Fuck, dude.
No. Watch how he
two-shot me, bro.
I just took 2 hearts off that bitch, dude.
I know, but he one time, see. It's like running, and this is what it feels like to run into like a soccer skin in late 2018. It's like absolutely terrifying.
I felt running into a John Wick skin, bro. Soccer skin, bro.
Bro, the soccer skins were always just the kids who were like, oh, I'm gonna lift you up on that when you explode as soon as you get it there. Dude, something tells me you can't block those. Which one goes up next? Is it this one? No. Maybe it is this one.
Hold on.
We're oh wait, can you jump from that over there to him or no? part's definitely gonna get cut.
But the shot boss fight.
Well, we just have no idea how to get over there. Wait, hold on. Can you just... You're not making this jump. How are we supposed to get up there? Can you jump like while you're like in midair on the way back?
Let me switch to a better game.
Oh, what the... There we go.
Pretty easy.
It's definitely up there.
The depth perception is so bad.
Yo, he's cooking. He's trying to cook me. He's not gonna hit me though. Dumbass. Fuck. I told you, bro. Two shots here.
Solo TS fight.
Literally, I didn't touch him once. That's what Gold Trooper does. I just sit in the back of the party. Damn, we really played this entire level just for the way to jump for 30 seconds.
Entire boss fight and shit.
Hold up. I'm thinking we have to clear the roof. Do a little bit of gardening, you know what I mean. That one's a shout out for all of our drug users who watch us. You guys are awesome.
Don't do drugs,
We
kids.
love tweakers.
Only do
Only
perks.
the cool
Only perks.
ones.
Only perks. Only perks.
Only do the cool drugs.
Only perks.
Pick up the vape. I'm telling you, it'll make you friends.
Only perks, geek bars, and
What the fuck am I pushing with this, dude? Nothing's going on. It's this stupid app bridge, yo.